Chevron zijn do of 59 by the Town Square Mall, Envision. The oil got off upstate. The oil macht a stop by the Monsey area. You gotta stop off over here by Envision. You gotta check this place out on the way up to the country. Siehste, was machst du, siehste? Inse mir du, siehste. Gib a T und D.
Oh, wow.
You got it, the Michael. Siehste? Ja. Beautiful,
Wow.
you got it on the first try.
First of all, ich film mich geht, my first time, weiß ich gerade idee. Wow,
Die Geist
kennst du even naar podcast, by the way.
Let's go. Hast du Benklich? Nice podcast. Cheers. Okay, siehste. So, it's my first time in such a beautiful big store. Wo es fühlt sich Geschmack heranzuwackeln. Das ist auch ein Glasses Store, so small, zu eng, man stippt sich zu big, roomy, luxury, genick Mörs für jedem einen.
Ja, ein bisschen mehr wie jedem auch.
So, lass mal hier ein bisschen wegen am Store.
More from the luxury part, was du do. So it's the way wie so the customer felt. It's more, the way wie so ich bin geworden getrained, und jeder wird getrained. It's all about the customer.
Personal
Besides, with the product, what du bekommst,
Okay.
is es dann feeling, what you feels, the erste Mal. You know what you're gonna pay for. Kannst kaufen ein Gläser du von $150, kannst kaufen ein Gläser du von $300 und von $1000. And actually, ins kann man aufgehen zu 7, und zu 10, und zu 12. Und jetzt haben schon gehabt mehr von dem auch. You're gonna feel the same.
Wow.
Not as the customer from $10,000 got feeling via 150 one, perhaps. The 150.
Got feeling like $10,000
Exactly.
customer. Wow. Okay, siehst du, suchst doch das Tire Piers. Lass mal sehen, that expensive Tire Pier.
Okay, so let's go a little bit to that side. Du hast ein bisschen mehr.
I don't know if the oil maps over the way they built this, that everybody should be comfortable over here. Ruhig, groß, bequem.
So this is Carrier, real horn.
Wie viel kostet das Pier?
So got them beëdig in the 45.
$4,500 was
Ja,
that Pier.
beëdig.
Wie heißt the company?
This is Carrier and something like this.
Wow. So you're saying, if einer kommt daran und kauft a Zapier, oder einer kommt daran und kauft a $150 Pier, wo die hast auch it,
They're both gonna feel served with white glove,
Served with white glove,
red
class.
carpet, exactly.
beautiful piers. Okay, siehst du, ich rede von Hawaii, from people who come here often, that if somebody needs a pier, in and out, this is the place. Normale Geister store, it's then 2 Tage, 3 Tage. Over here,
So-
as you wait, you get the pier. How does that work?
Works very simple. You walk in, gedaan verschet. No problem. Someone that now sitting, so whatever situation, en waard, we zit 10, 15 minutes bezig. It's all yours.
No way. A guy picks a pier.
Picks up here, as long as you want to take it to pick, weiß man, neem je dat schlieg aan de mee pikken aan deze.
And you go 15 minutes later, it's ready. Wow. I'm
So
gonna
that's the service about this.
bit of the glazer. What do I see over there? It's managed Shiva Mamash Machine a boon. When I always, what are you talking about? What's
So
it?
kort dan bij zijn de oil en bezig weggegooid, dus maar ik neem een idee.
So I was cooked in LD.
So, this came in engraving. The interesting part of this, by the way, ik heb hem gehad op zijn Rosh Hashiva, een van the famous Rosh Hashivas, and he wanted to engrave something. Shavisi Hashem and I do so much.
Really? That's crazy.
And for kids, it's very popular, by the way. They engrave the name, the phone number. Wow. Zeg maar, als je gaat mensen, they engrave the business name.
That's so cool. That is
Yeah,
so cool.
it's very-
It's steht nicht an Augen, like you don't.
No, so the machine laat dich nicht
Doesn't let you. Wow.
so macht dich a certain size, so the machine recht aus
machine recht aus
measurement.
Augen. Wow.
Wie sie geht an.
Can I see that machine? You do it here. You engrave
Sure.
it here. That is so
We engrave them all
cool.
here.
Unreal. So beschaffst eine wart für sein Gläser. Kann du sitzen. Hast du Kave,
Nash.
Nash, Kave, Drinks. Und du machst man the engraving. Lass mal sehen.
So, der Tzadik ist nicht auf Camera.
Nicht auf Camera.
Das heißt nicht gewähnt auf Camera.
So this is the machine.
So,
Wow, let me see what it do. So 8 lights on there.
so basically, this is a Limburg glasses was arbeitet mit glue.
Okay.
En ze trekken het gewoon op dat UV light.
A UV light. Wow. this is the machine was.
So deze de machine was gesnaad.
And this engraves that as well?
This engraves it well. So you can engrave in any language. What you will.
A picture ook het?
So pictures are a bisschen schwer. You can engrave in emojis. Ich habe sich mal was wollen engraven a heart. Ich habe gas room du gaat einer. Was hat engraved.
Stell du? Was sehen, sei light, du. Let's see if we can see it here. Oh. Am Yisrael Chai. Mit der Mogen David. Wow.
Oi wei.
Oi wei. Darfst du brechen. Well, that's very
We
cool.
serve them all.
And it's blue, obviously.
Versteht sich? Deze
It's not blue, it's not blue
Blue
Pier.
and white.
Blue and white. Super cool.
So, ja, so my pictures sind nicht so stark, but
Super, super, super cool. De oil bekippt door een großen Anzukäufen. Wow. Wow. I'm gonna sicher auf contact lenses kann man auch engraven.
okay, so the thing of contact lenses is like this. Contact lenses is literally we have a full stack. Jede einzelne prescription, again, it's do certain companies actually have an order and that takes like 2 to 3 business days usually. And the mile of name is you can order on the phone, WhatsApp, you can email however you want and you get it delivered to your door free of charge.
That's amazing. So you send a WhatsApp that you need this in this prescription.
It's to your door,
Wow.
free of charge.
Wow. That's amazing.
Yes, it is. And we beat any prices, by the way.
Really?
On contact lenses,
The cheapest in the
Guaranteed.
line of contact lenses. Check it out
guaranteed.
for contact lenses.
Check it out, price it out. We'll do a 10% discount.
Have it 10% from
Till
now
the
till
Shell.
Schoidish L till the new school year, till the new year. Bucherim,
On glasses. Glasses till the Schoidish L.
Bucherim girls, you get new glasses the school year. Now it's the summer. It's a ganz light at the store. The summer is not here. Come in, get yourself a pair of glasses. Menschen gaan naar Pearls with 10% off. Besides for the schmatte, verstaat zich.
Ja, man.
And enjoy a beautiful pair of beautiful glasses. I love this place. Get an inscription. You can script on your glasses the Chaim Perlowitz show, maybe.
Oh.
Maybe, yeah. Gevre, had ze maar
Why did
lekker
that free of charge as is?
Oh,
Engraving
really?
it's free of charge.
Engraving is free of charge. Gevre, it's a knockout of a deal. Get 10% off, get free engraving,
Yeah.
whatever you want to engrave. A mogen dovid or a heart or a logo. Or a palm tree for Satmer. Whatever you want. We don't, whatever the guy wants, you engrave.
Deze waktaran, some do Spanish and some do Schweiz, some do
Really? Jeder wacht eraan doen. Gevre, the address is
75 Route 59, Town Square Mall, Center Monsey. See you.
See you here. Tell Zishi you saw him on the video. Out to my left in the talk. Make sure when you see Zishi in the street, walk up close as
Yeah,
well. Check
zijn
out.
we, zijn
Check
we.
out weg. Lezen dat.